Video for Jesus' Way to Greatness. In our culture, aspiring to greatness is often encouraged and applauded. But what should be considered as great? It is not unusual for professing Christians to post the Ten Commandments and speak of God's laws, yet the greatest and most encompassing commandments are often overlooked. When asked to identify the greatest commandment, Jesus gave a clear twofold response: to love God with all one's being, and to love one's broadly defined neighbor as oneself. Then Jesus added the clarifying statement that all other laws and prophetic teachings depend on these two greatest commandments: love of God and neighbor. The prefix mega, common in our English usage, literally means a million, but is figuratively used to mean the biggest or greatest. It comes from the same Greek root, megos, found in the New Testament. It is the word used for Jesus' designation of the greatest commandment. And likewise, megos appears in the beautiful love chapter, 1 Corinthians 13, when Paul states that faith, hope, and love endure, but the greatest of these is love. Imagine that. Love is even greater than faith and hope. Therefore, followers of Jesus have a clear route to greatness: the way of Jesus that is marked by a deep love of God and a sacrificial, inclusive love of other persons. While such love is not easy, the model for such loving is easily available. For Jesus tells us and shows us how to love others well beyond familiar boundaries. By seeing and seeking to live through the lens of Jesus' life and teachings, we, while imperfect but guided by the Spirit, can respond faithfully to the high calling to follow Jesus. Then we can join others in helping to create or enhance congregations or other communities in which Jesus and the Bible are elevated to their rightful places, not by debating politics or doctrines, but by an intentional focus on Jesus' example that we are called to emulate.